How to display Judge Me reviews in your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add or display your Judge Me reviews on your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the App Store. Shopify App Store, this one you can click on it, and then you can search Judge Me, and you will find Judge Me review. You can click on it, and as you can see, this is the Judge Me reviews app. You can see the description here, and also if you want to see their reviews, you can see it. And then as you can see, there is a free plan here. Now you can just click install it. Now you can read the term and condition, and then after that you can just click install here. Now you can set up the app. You can just click next here, and then you can just answer the question, it's up to you. And then click next, and then you can continue, then click next. And now you can enable app embed. You can click on it, and now you can click save to activate it or enable it. After that, you can go back, and then you can click install review widget. And as you can see, this is the review widget. You can modify it or customize it. And now you can just click save after you install the widget, and then go back again. Now you can just click next. Now you can just click next, and now you can install the star rating. So the previous one is the reviews widget, and now is the star rating. And as you can see, it's installed. Now you have a star rating here. For now, you can just click save. Now you can set up your logo if you want, but I'm gonna click next. And now you can customize everything here. So you can go to widget setting, and then you can customize your widget review. And as you can see, they have a lot of option here. You can, try it one by one if you want, and you can customize everything there. And yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.